What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over our friend Solana. Currently, we're sitting at 175. We're down about 1.2 on the day. Sitting at a market cap of 53.87 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.93 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, let's pop into Solana. So we've hit three of our buy zones. First entry, 188. Second entry, 178. Third entry, 170. Bring your break-even price to 179.02. We met the target of our rising wedge pattern, and we've come down to a very strong level of support. You can see here we're creating lower lows while creating higher lows on the RSI as well. Oh, sorry, guys. As well as on the money flow index, signifying that the bears are running out of strength. So we might see a nice push right up to that level of 178. If we pop over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see, let me quickly take out these, just it's a little bit distracting to have them in here. You can see we've trended all the way down to oversold on the 4-hour, and that's usually where you're going to see a nice little bounce back to the upside. Right here we saw a bounce, oversold. Right here we saw a bounce back to the upside. Let me open this up. Right here we're oversold, nice bounce back to the upside. So what may happen here for Solana is we come up, we hit resistance, we come back down, we create a double bottom, and we could break out depending on where we hit resistance and come down. But do keep an eye on that pattern. If we were to lose this level of support at 170 and come all the way back down to 157, we could be creating a much larger, a much larger double bottom pattern where we come down, we've come up, we've hit resistance, we come back down, we create a second bottom, and we break back out to the upside. So that would be an absolutely massive, massive pattern, and could take Sol all the way back up here to about, or take profit zone all the way up at 257 for Solana. So do keep an eye on that. If we lose 170, we'd very likely see a bounce off 157, but we could also see a nice little bounce off this current level. If we get back above the 178, we've had the bearish cross, and we get back above the EMAs, we hold them as support, just as we did right here, and we saw a nice little push back to the upside. So do keep an eye on that, as we have trended towards oversold once again on the 4-hour time frame. So let's jump over to the daily, guys. So we're holding the golden ratio, which is a bullish signal, guys, at 171, the 0.618. We have fallen back underneath the EMAs, bit of a fake out here. We had a rising wedge and we just fell out of it. We lost the EMAs as support, so it would be crucial for us to get back above them, see some sort of reversal pattern like that double bottom that I had just mentioned, and break back out to the upside. Because if we do come up, we get rejected by the EMAs and we lose 171 as support. We have to target these levels here, which line up with our buy zones at 158. Bother. Just a little bit of fixture here. Give me black, please, and make my text white. Okay, thank you. Come again. 158, and I'll drop in one more here. This level of support at 147. So do watch that, guys. Pretty crucial for us to hold this level, as it is the golden ratio if we are going to see that continuation back to the upside for our friend Sol. We could be seeing something very similar to what we saw here, where we had a nice breakout and then we broke back below the 20 EMA. We created a level of support. We broke back above it. We had it. Look at that inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Huge breakout back to the upside. So you can see we broke out. We've fallen back below it. So if we can create a strong level of support, maybe we'll create an inverse head and shoulders again. Maybe we'll come up and then we'll come down. We'll create support and we'll break back up to the outside, and then you have your left shoulder, your head, and you would have your right shoulder. So do keep an eye on that as well for our friend Solana. We're still consolidating within our descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Our bull run target for Sol, we have the 2 extension. Let me move this down a little bit. We have the 2 extension coming in at 410 and the 2.272 coming in at 503 for Solana. Our dollar cost average buy zones, 3 of them been hit: 188, 178, 170, and then we have 157, 141, 115, 79. Equal amounts at each buy zone, bringing your average price down halfway each time. And if you're leverage trading, you have to double your margin. Our take profit zones, 201, 216, 231, 257. I'll make sure to pull them out here in the next video as they're going to start overlapping with the candles. All right, guys, so that's basically it for Sol. If you want early access to these charts, join the Discord, guys, where I'm posting them for many coins. I can't make videos every day about all these coins, but I can post the charts in the Discord. We also have 1,000 members talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You really can't beat it. And you can sign up through the Patreon, 350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.